If you want a highlighter that's truly focused on your skin and your skin care, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm X Collagen Bound Stick in the shade Sheer Glow is something you definitely want to check out. This was sent to me from the brand, but as always, I give my honest review. For me, this has a very subtle highlighting texture that you will get a little glow, but to get the most, you definitely want to use this on over your makeup, like as the last step in your makeup routine to highlight. And you want to use it on your body. If you're covered up with makeup, you're not going to see it that much, but it gives you that real subtle glow that you want to see. So this is actually going to be perfect on your collarbone and your head. Even if you want to wear this without any other makeup on, you're going to run out the door. I just love that this has skincare packed into it with peptides and collagen complex. It really wants a hyaluronic acid. It really is awesome.